Hello YouTube friends. Let me say hello to all my friends out there in YouTube world. We fired the forge up today. Let me show you what I've been up to. As you see, got a full burn in there. We're working on this metal rod. We're getting ready to put a curl on it, so let me see if I can make a video and show you how I do it. I forget what this is called. It just slips my mind. But I'll find out, I'll remember what it's called, and I'll tell you. We're going to try to make a penny curl. We're going to use that little thing. Come right here. I'm going to try to get her to curl around for us there just a little bit. There we go. Alright, we'll get it hot again, and then we'll finish up on it. Only takes just a few seconds to in that forge. Won't take long. We're just going to kind of curl it around there till we get what we want. We don't want it too awful tight. We got to make some changes on it, but we want to come on around. We're going to add a little bit more curl to it. Let's walk my hammer. Alright, let's get her hot again, and we'll be right back. What I said, with the coke and the coal mixture there, be sure don't, it's going to curl it right on around here. We're going to make a few changes on it, but that's how you put the curl on there. And I've got to try to get me a camera or something. I don't know. It's kind of hard to make a video on your phone. What we want to do is we want to fan it out just a little bit. Anyway, we're going to keep working on this, and we get a finished product, we'll show you what we got there. time I get the phone turned on, it's already cooled down. I'll put a little borax on there. See if we can't clean it up just a bit. Got a nice burn going today. Anyway, that's how we put a curl on the metal there. And you got to put a bend in it this way, right in this area. So we're going to work on that, and we'll see if we can make another video with the running the blacksmith forge there. We're going to heat it up. See if we can't put that last bend in it, but not in this video. Perhaps once we learn how to make the video on our phone there, we can, I got to straighten this out. We can make a longer video, kind of a how-to video. But I do want you to see how the forge is burning there. Every once in a while you have to come in and kind of rake your coals up there so they'll keep burning. But that's a coal and coke fire. Well, as always, let me say God bless to you, and thanks for coming by the channel and watching the video. You know, if you like what you see here, I sure wish you'd subscribe to the channel. It's just a kind of a learning process for us as well as everybody else, I guess, how to make that video. So hit that like button, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. You have a good day wherever you are in the world. We'll catch you in the next one.